Hello guys, welcome to Javadeveloper's YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the last problem in the conditional statements. It's about check whether the given year is leap year or not. Okay, check the given year is leap or not. Okay, for that check, we have to understand some conditions. As the first one, a year said to be the leap year. Okay, when a year said to be the leap year, when it's divisible by 400. Right, when it's divisible by 400, it's blindly you can say that it's a leap year. But another condition is that if the given year is divisible by 4 and it should not divisible by 100, we have two conditions here. In between that, we are going to use the or operator. Okay, if the given year, it must be, if the year is divisible by 400, it's a leap year. Or if the year divisible by 4, it should not divisible by 100, then if the year entered is the leap year. Okay, you can see that if the divisible by 4 may be leap year because it was depending on 100 too. Okay, there may be the chance here 100 may cancel the year into the not leap year. Okay, if your year is 100% divisible by 400, then it's you can say that it's a leap year. Okay, are you understood? Yeah. Then we go for some examples. Divisible by 4 but not 100. Okay, if you take the year is 2024, it was divisible by 4 by 506 times. That means, and we may have the chance, I mean, as a year divisible by 4, it has to not divisible by 100, then only we can say that given year is the leap year, right? If the same year divisible by 100, it was giving 20.24, right? As here it gives the remainder 0, it will give the remainder as 20.24, right? So you can say that it's a leap year. It's a second condition. Okay, if we go for that, and one more thing, divisible by 4 and 100 but not 400, it's not a leap year, because if you take 1900, okay, 1900 divisible by 4 by 475 times, as 900 divisible by 19 times, and 1900 is divisible by 400. No, it's not divisible, but it was divisible by both 4 and 100. But according to our condition, it has to divisible by 4, but it should not divisible by 100. Then only we can say that given year is the leap year. Okay, yeah. Then what is the last thing? Example number 3, that divisible by 400, directly we can say that it's a leap year, but divisible by 4, we need to confirm with the 100. Okay, if you're taken 2000, yes, it was divisible by 4 and it was divisible by 100 and it was divisible by 400. Okay, if the given year is divisible by 400, or if the given digit is divisible by 4 and not 100, then you can say that it's a leap year. Okay, the main condition is here. Okay, if divisible by 4, maybe leap year, maybe. Okay, if it is divisible by 100, cancel the leap year. But if that divisible by 400, you can blindly say that it's a leap year again. Okay, just open the Eclipse and just create the class leap year. Give the main method, then click on finish. Then what is the thing we have to do now? We have to take the scanner class, right? After, because why we are taking the scanner class? To take the inputs from the user, dynamic inputs. Okay, and enter here sc dot next int. It will accept the int, I think no, but let's try that too. Int of num. Okay, then as we know the range, right, maybe you may get errors. Okay, if not, we go ahead. Right, what is the condition? If given number, okay, if given number modulo by, okay, modulo by 400 double equals to 0, then you can say that it's plainly a leap year. Or if the given number modulo by 4, okay, if the given number is modulo by 4, which is double equals to 0, and given number is not, and the given sorry, we have to take the year. Okay, nothing will happen. Modulo by 100 should not equals to 0. Okay, let's try with the year. No issue with that, as we are taking the variable as year. If, okay, year, given year modulo by 400, you can say that blindly it's a leap year. Or if the given year modulo by 4 double equals to 0, and the year modulo by 100 should not equals to 0. Okay, if this case became success, you can say that it's a leap year, right? Already we seen the examples too. You don't have any doubts regarding this. It says that given year, okay, given year is leap year. Or else you can say that not a leap year. Given year is not leap year. Okay, just if I run the code, it was saying that 2024, it's a leap year, right? 2024 is the leap year. That's good, right? Yeah. Then if I enter 2000, it's a leap year, because 400, yeah, it was divisible by 400, so it's a leap year. Yeah. If I enter, what is our last not possible case? If I enter 1900, then it should not be the leap year. Okay, 1900, it should not be the leap year. Why? Because it was divisible by both 4 and 100, but not divisible by 400. Okay, it was divisible by 4 and 100, but it was not divisible by 400. I mean, here the condition became false because we had written here and. That means here two conditions must be true. Then only it will return the true. Or else, if this one condition became true, so that we can say that given here is leap year. We have to observe these operators carefully. Between the 400 and the whole, which is the 4 and 100, we given the or operator, and between 4 and 100 we given the and operator. As we know that and operator, two true conditions, as the two conditions became true, then only it will resulted in the true statement. But if the in or operator, if one condition became true, it will give the true statement. Okay, yeah, that's all about given here loop year or not. You can perform by using the ternary operator too, by using the boolean, same condition. Okay, you have to write the same condition, but catch that in the boolean. On the left side, catch that in the boolean format, and right side you can say that let's try it. Okay, let's catch it. Okay, let's take the boolean. Okay, boolean result is equals to, if I, this is the condition basically I was writing, question mark, like leap year. Let's see what will happen. I think as we are using boolean, we should not write the string, right? We have to use the true or false, right, as out of result. Okay, if I run the code, yeah, what is the year? We need to enter 2024. It's a leap year. It's true. That means it's true. If I run the code like 1900, it's false, because as we see in the example, if you are enter 1900, it was divisible by both 4 and 100, which is against to our condition, right? Because we used the AND operator. Okay, yeah. 2024, it's a leap year. And what is the final? 2000. If I run the code for 2000, yes, it's true, because it was divisible by 400. So you can say that it's a leap year. That means it's true. Okay, yeah, that's all about today video regarding the leap year. And conditional statement problems are completed successfully. If you have any doubt, just comment me below the videos. And tomorrow we are going to start about looping statements. Okay, in Java there are three looping statements like for loop, while loop, do while loop. Based on the requirement, we are going to use the loops. Okay, okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.